Hello guys, in this video we will be talking about the face mask detection. So now we will checking in short video. So person wear the mask or not wear the mask. I know it's very old project. We start the deep learning projects. So start from mask detection project. So you can download from here. I'm already download my GitHub account. So can see the code here. Here the dependency of the Python libraries, TensorFlow open source platform of Google. So you can see the Python TensorFlow, NumPy, then time spent library, dead time, computer vision library. So here we will mention the path of the model, deploy prototype model. So you can see then here is the cafe model. You can see also then also the master detector model we are I am mentioning here pre-trained mask detector model. So you cannot train the model your own model, so you can use here it's 98% accuracy. So here the code of here we will mention the mask mp4 short video. You can see okay. So here the loop number of frames and to convert into the video, then resizing the face for loop. Here is the logic: if mask label uh, is mesh, then you print simply mask, otherwise no mask. Okay, here we will put in the text into the our computer vision terminal. So show frame. Let's see the result of the show, what he will show the video console inside. So let's start. Open the terminal. Here cd document, cd my folder name is youtube, cd mask. So you can see the mask. Here is the file names. We run only this command, this python face detector .py. You can see the result. Taking some time. Okay, here you can see no mask. It's too much slow. You can see the process of this video. You can see okay. Let some wait for moving the girl. So let's see the result of the with movement. much slow. So you can see the real time you mention here. I am mentioning the video. You can also mentioning the webcam real time. You can see mask is available or not available. Means mask is on face. Yeah, no mask on face. So we are see the last result of the moment. Girl move from here. So let's see, waiting for this moment. So how much percent is confident? 0.5 percentage. Hmm, let's see the more accuracy next video. I hope you can also test it yourself. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting updates.